Today I'm going to make keema aloo. For keema aloo, the ingredients that I'm going to use are mutton mince around 400 grams, 2 large potatoes, 3 large tomatoes, 1 large onion that is very finely chopped, handful of coriander leaves, and I have just separated the leaves from the stems and I have chopped the stems. This is around 1 tablespoon of coriander stems. I dipped 2 green chilies into vinegar and I have chopped them very finely. For dry ingredients, I'll be using half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili, half teaspoon of zira powder or cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander, and half teaspoon of whole spices mix. I'll be using whole spices here, 1 cardamom, 10 to 12 black peppercorn, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. I'll just roast them and use them in the process. Now I'm heating half cup of oil in a pan and I'm going to add onion in it. We will fry the onion until it changes the color and turn into light golden brown. Okay, so now onions are brown. Now I will add whole spices, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 10 black peppercorns, coarsely grounded cumin and coriander that I have roasted and now I have added into this onion. Along with that, I will add the stems of coriander, fresh coriander stems, and green chilies. Now I will add keema to it or mutton mince to it. We will keep stirring until the mince is turned into like white color, or it has changed the color from pink, it has turned to a little bit white. You will see the moisture coming out of the mince like this. All the moisture from the mince is coming out. Keep stirring it. Now at this stage I will add all the spices. Or stir it for another 1 or 2 minutes on high flame. Now I will add 3 large tomatoes. We'll bring the flame down and cook it until all the tomatoes are tender. Two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Just mix and close the lid. Now I'm checking. After around 10 minutes, tomatoes are all softened. I'm mushing them into the mince and I will dry all the water that has been released, or all the moisture that has been released from the mince and tomatoes, and then we will add potatoes. Now all the moisture from the mince and tomatoes has been dried up and the oil is like in few minutes the oil will come. Okay, so at this stage all the moisture has been dried up. I'm adding potatoes in the mince. I will add half a cup of water and let the potatoes cook and become tender. Now you see all the potatoes are tender and oil has been separated from the mince. At this stage I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaf, or we call it kasuri methi in Urdu. This is readily available in the market. I'm using 1 tablespoon. This is the final look of the keema. Let me dish it out and show you.